one type of a Rubik's Cube. Rose, come here. Do you want to help me do this? One day I will finally solve this. Finally, at least. I need this here. So I need somehow get this right here to right here, and then these purple or blue or black pieces. Let's talk about who that was. Let's talk about it at all. And now it's on the right. This is right. It's time to do now. So the Rubik's Cube is right there. So elementals, it was called Playing with a Rubik's Cube, I think. Something like that. Don't really know, honestly. And now rain is coming down from the sky because it was raining a lot, and I think I had some new videos that was stopping me from trying to say something that I'm trying to say when I can't really say it. First of all, there's a lot of people showing around here. Yeah, just pathetic. You know what I mean? Like pathetic. And stuff like that. Sorry about that, guys. That was just the headphones right here. If you want this, you gotta pay $2 to get it. So I'll put it in there. Okay?
Gabby!
Yeah, to make a video.
You're supposed to make. You're supposed to.
What am I supposed to do again? The video? The AM.
The wolf cake.
I'll do that later.
Okay. Make a video, okay?
You can sit there if you want and watch me.
Okay.
You want to say hi?
No, that would be embarrassing. Gabby, the church bus is here. Huh? I don't know. I'm making a video.
Katie!
In the middle of making a video?
Yeah, so I can't. It's her fucking too.
Huh?
I'm not doing it. You want to look at it?
Huh?
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it.
Okay, it's not okay.
Okay, bye. Can you stay for a minute? Just video. Stay here. Don't want that. Okay, gotta go and bye.